the Swede.
What's up?
What's up?
What's happening? You ready?
Yeah, man, I'm ready.
Fired up.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are indeed not in Pittsburgh, PA anymore. We're in my favorite place on frickin' earth. It's not actually Destin either. It's Panama City Beach. I'm here with my buddy Chris. You guys have seen him from the Tesla video. All right, well, just hit it quick up to that car. Oh, holy sh**.
What the fuck was that?
Today is gonna be an awesome day. This is actually for a separate video, but you guys can kind of do the math here. Ferrari 458 FI exhaust. Ferrari 458 FI exhaust. So we have the fastest production car in the world, Tesla Model S Plaid. You guys, I think you remember this video from last time I was here. But then we have basically a C63 in a whole lot nicer package. This has the same engine as my old car, same transmission, but it is indeed an Aston Martin. This thing is awesome. I love the rear end on these. Here's the cool thing, because we used to always do cold starts on the channel when I had the W205 C63s, the hydro-locked one, and then also the 2018. So we're gonna do one now just so we can hear it. It sounds exactly the same. There we go. Oh yeah. It sounds just like my AMG. This is so awesome. I love it. We're not gonna try to poison ourselves in here. Then we have the Defender. I did a review of this when they first came out. This is an awesome SUV. I love it. And then Chris is totally freaking built Raptor. What is this? 6-inch? 6?
4-inch.
4? That looks like a lot higher than 4.
It's because of the bumper.
Yeah, I guess.
Which needs lights.
Yeah. But it looks brutal. I love this hood though.
Shelby.
Yeah, I love that. Sitting on 37s. Very nice. And yeah, I almost forgot. So we're in a different truck. It's actually a Black Widow edition. It's brand new. We'll explain that in a different video though. So from driveway with cars, we're at a driveway with private planes. Today's video is going to be different on the channel for sure. I'm going to ride right hand next to the pilot on a private jet. I've never been on a private jet before. And we're going to the Players to watch some golf. I guess I'm hopping in here. Wow, look at this. Alright, we're strapped in. It's time for takeoff. This is the coolest thing I've ever done. TPC Sawgrass in Jacksonville. So we're flying there from Panama City Beach. But of course there's a freaking, thunderstorm and stuff. So we're flying a bit north and then going east. Otherwise we'd be flying right through this stuff here. As you guys can see, I mean, we don't have much of a nice view here, but it's still like the coolest thing I've ever done. We're at 26,960 feet. So we've been in the air for maybe like 45 minutes. It's a short flight. It's just Panama City Beach to Jacksonville. We're finally getting out of the clouds a little bit. It's a lot of turbulence. As soon as you hit the clouds, you can feel the turbulence immediately. So we got the airport way over there in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera here. Wow, this is the coolest thing ever. See, this is how the Tesla should have done it. Yeah. I mean, this is cool.
Well, so much for overcast at 3,000.
Yeah, it's fine here. I mean, you've got visual. Everything just looks cooler from up in the air. It just does. Look at this. Look at the little lakes and things here. So now we're doing the landing, and it's such a weird feeling because this plane that we're in has a very low approach speed for landing, so it kind of feels like we're just hovering around here in the air. I mean, it looks like we're moving like 2 miles an hour, but the approach speed is about 103 knots, I think it was, which is about 115 miles an hour, which is pretty low for a plane. Just like moving around, it's such a weird experience. This is so cool. Nice landing from the captain, though. This is so cool. So I have to put the mic down, obviously, if I talk to the captain. But when I'm, filming and vlogging and stuff, I just put it up so I'm not messing in his ear talking about stupid YouTube stuff. Wow, this was really cool, man. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know it's different. It's different. I mean, it's still like an automotive experience. It's just a plane that's not a car. And this was cool. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
So that's a prisoner bus. That's how they move prisoners around here.
And then their call sign is Justice. It's the Justice Department. So these are like federal. What, see how he's got an AR over there?
Oh yeah, he's got an AR.
Yeah, there's another one with an AR.
Oh, look at that. He's just posted out there, dude.
These are like the real deal criminals. They didn't steal a TV from Walmart.
No stealing TVs from Walmart. I got you. Yeah, this dude, he's looking at us like, yeah, you're not coming to freaking break these dudes free. Damn. All right. Coolest experience ever. I mean, I swear. First time in a private jet, but I got to ride up front. Awesome. So the original plan was, of course, to land here and then have Chris's Ferrari waiting for us. But, those plans didn't really work out. There was more people than just me on the plane here, but still pretty cool experience, man. Riding shotgun in a private jet. This is a Phenom 100, by the way, for all you people out there that are plane fanatics. But yeah, off to TPC Sawgrass and the Players, baby. For anyone that's into golf, you know what's up. Well guys, we're back at the hotel. Quick transition here, and what you just saw with DJ sinking that putt was pretty much almost all the live golf that we saw during this championship week. The weather has completely sucked, in Jacksonville, Florida. Spectators are bummed out. I'm sure the players are really bummed out as well. But that being said, this isn't really a golf channel, so I'm not gonna post anymore because I don't know if people are even interested. But I'm really into golf, so I was excited for this week here. We had VIP tickets, you know, the Players Club, all that cool stuff. So it just kind of sucks that the weather wouldn't cooperate with us. It was delayed constantly. It's currently still delayed until 11 a.m. today. I have to drive back to Destin today. I know this video was a little different. I mean, it was a plane video, but I'd never been on a private jet before, and sitting shotgun, or right hand as it's properly called in airplane language, was the coolest experience ever. I mean, just, I don't know how to explain it. It was just awesome. I know there was a lot of audio issues during the video. I should have thought about like speaking up higher and stuff because of all the sound surrounding us when we're in an airplane. That's why I put subtitles here and there, and I try to make it as immersive as I could from the position where I was sitting. My friend owns that plane, so hopefully, you know, I'll get more chances to do videos like this, because I'm just always been fascinated by planes, and the dream of mine is to get a pilot's license. We'll see what happens in the future. I just think that's the coolest job in the world, except for being a YouTuber. But anyway, jokes aside, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe, even though it's not a, you know, a plane channel, if this was the first video you saw. I'll catch you guys in the next one very soon. Bye-bye.